ever used these little bitty soap dishes that have these little grooves in it so that when you put your soap on there like that and it's wet, all the water will drip down, which keeps your soap actually from melting faster. But when you use these, they get all yucky like this. The soap builds up in there and it gets in the grooves, and then you've got to clean it. Instead of taking a toothbrush and trying to scrub it out and get it out like that, you can simply take this, turn your water on to warm, wet it. You can turn it inside out, just like that. As you turn it inside out, you're loosening up all of the stuff that's around there. And then you can just simply rinse it off. Making sure you keep turning it as you're rinsing it, and all that just falls out. No scraping, no scrubbing. Simply by turning it inside out, and it's all nice and clean. Pouring just a little bit of bleach or ammonia in your trash can before you take it out will get rid of any bad odors while you're waiting on trash day, and it will also keep away any critters that may come about to get a little snack. And you only need a little. Never flush your toilet with the lid up. If you have toothbrushes and soap or anything near your toilet, you flush it with the lid up, fecal matter or anything else that's in there could fly out. You get tired of every time you take a nice, hot, relaxing shower, your mirrors are all fogged up. So when you get out of the shower, you either have to wait a little bit or you gotta clean them or wipe them down or wipe a spot out. You need shaving cream. Clean your mirrors with shaving cream. Not the gel, but the foam. Now keep in mind, when you clean your mirrors with the shaving cream, they will still slightly fog up, but the shaving cream puts a nice thin coat over your glass and it allows you to still see through your mirror. And as soon as you turn that shower off, you'll find that the mirror clears almost instantly. And if you want to test it, if you have a large mirror, you can either just do the top half or the bottom half with the shaving cream first, or if it's a long mirror, split it in half. Do half of it with the shaving cream and the other half with no shaving cream. Now, not only is our mirror nice and clean, it's streakless, and you do not have to worry about your mirror fogging up. Now, keep in mind, because you're using a product other than a glass cleaner, it will take just a little bit longer for you to really put it on because it smears on, as you saw, and then you've got to get it off. So you got to keep wiping until it comes off and your mirror is nice, clean, and streakless. Make sure you use a foam shaving cream and not the gel. The gel won't work. You can also use car wax. Car wax. You can put that on your mirror and it'll take a little bit of time. Just like when you wipe down your car with wax, you have to put it on and rub it and rub it off. So that's a little bit more tedious, but it works just as well. Keep in mind, because you are using a shaving cream or a different product, and any brand works. This is not a promotion or anything. It's just what I had in my closet. Keep in mind, it's going to take a little bit more time than when you just use a glass cleaner. But in the end, it is well worth it. I'm Pam, and this is my POV.